morning guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one. Sophie has a cold. She's on day 2. I probably should have taken better steps yesterday to get her better. That's what today is going to be. I'm going to show you guys all the little tips and tricks that I have to make Sophie better, and obviously if you could leave yours in the comments below. Sophie's only had 2 colds before. She's 13 months old. One of them I don't even know if it was a cold, to be honest with you, but the other one definitely was. So it's not my first rodeo, but it feels like it is. Number 1, clearly we're going to be staying home. Number 2, water is going to be smashing all day. Number 3, keep on top of her temperature. 36.2 at the moment. It hasn't gone above that. She's had breast milk. Now, if you don't know how breast milk works, it's really interesting actually. Her skin will release a chemical to let me know when I kiss her with my lips on her skin that she's sick and what to make in my breast milk. So my breast milk will actually make antibiotics and antibodies for her when she's sick. Specifically a Sophie cocktail of everything she needs. So breast milk's in full force. So I'm a big believer in setting the mood for Sophie. Like when she wakes up, I don't want to go in there in a grumpy mood. She's going to be in a grumpy mood. So I always make sure to go in there with a happy attitude, which is exactly the same today. We're going to be keeping a relaxed but happy attitude because that's going to be the best thing for her to get better. So her sleep, I put her down to bed at like 8 o'clock, which is later than usual because she had an extra nap. She went down with Panadol and by 11:30 was awake and I couldn't get her back down. She came back into bed with us at 2:30 just so I could get some sleep. Mind you, it wasn't a very good quality sleep, but we got some. It's going to be a hot day today, so we're going to keep the house fairly cool. Thankfully, we have evaporative cooling. But first things first, now that she's had water and a nappy change and all that, breakfast. So I'm just going to make Sophie some porridge.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow colder. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat.
Okay, now that she's had breakfast, I let her get real messy about it because I knew she was going to have a shower. I'm going to turn it on real hot for a minute. I'm going to chuck some eucalyptus drops in the bottom of the shower. Steam up the room with no fan. Window is closed. Once it gets all steamed up in here, I'm going to wash out the bottom, make sure there's no oil on it. And this one is, although I'm going to chuck some soap on her because she's a little dirty, this is really just to clear out all her congestion. She was snoring terribly. She can hardly breathe when she's breastfeeding, so let's get that all dislodged and hopefully clear her out. Okay, so we've just finished Sophie's shower. It did help. She's a lot looser. Obviously, it's really hard for me to help her get it up, but at least it's looser and she can hopefully work it up herself. Because of the extra showers she's been having, I've been making sure to put this on her. This is just moisturizer. It's just a little bit more intense. Forgive me on how I'm going to pronounce this. Vicks Baby Balsam. That goes on her chest. Also, in regards to Vicks, if you are sick, you should be putting it on the bottoms of your feet and putting socks on. I clearly will do that for her when she's older, but she chews on her feet at the moment, so... Hold on, mummy, take it out. And you can have the box. There you go. I wanted to show you guys this. This is what I have set up in her room overnight and for her naps. Just a warm steam vaporizer. And I put in that eucalyptus oil I showed you earlier. And I also put in some lavender to help her sleep. So now Sophie's just going to have some more water. We're probably just going to chill out in the lounge room and watch some Wiggles. Now, if you haven't seen my last video, I went through the entire playroom yesterday. I did a deep clean, I sanitized everything, we reorganized, we decorated for Christmas. So check that video out if you haven't already. It's in the description box below. But yeah, I've already cleaned everything in here. This is the cleanest place in the entire house for her. Where's Sophie? Sophie! Oh, there you are! Where's Sophie? Oh, there you are! Okay, I'm gonna make Sophie a snack. I wanna give her citrus and vitamin C. So clearly oranges, but kiwi fruit actually have a really high content of vitamin C. So oranges, kiwi fruits, and then I'm gonna put some lime in some water for her so she can sip that throughout the day. Hopefully it's not too acidic for her. Tastes a bit different. Yeah, yummy. Fun fact, did you know you can actually eat the skin of a kiwi fruit?
And look at the clock.
And that's just the reality of a sick bubba sometimes. She's not interested, but I'm going to keep her water with her. So before Sophie's nap, I just want to do a couple things. I just want to pull the blinds down here, fix up these cords. This is the vaporizer I was showing you guys earlier. We've got a sleep sack. And then we just do her usual nap time routine. If you guys want to see that specifically, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I'm going to turn the air on, make sure it's comfortable in here for her. This is from last night. She hasn't needed any today. I've been outside and it's so hot. Miss Princess has woken up happy. Mwah. Hi, this is her sleepy sheepy. Hi, sleepy sheepy. Aww. You feeling better?
Yes.
So I asked some of you on Facebook for some tips and tricks, and my friend Tracy said warm water. So I want to be that mom that for Sophie will make her favorite meal when she's sick. Her favorite meal is pasta, so I'm just going to load it with garlic. Are you a happy girl? She's got her pasta. I've put on her favorite show. Okay, this is what I've done for her. I've set up kind of like a relaxing afternoon. I've just got a couple of her favorite toys. I don't know if any of your guys' parents did the same thing. I'm sure they did, but when I was sick, my parents turned the blanket into a mermaid tail. And a couple years ago, I found this as a bargain. I think it was like $10 free shipping. It's so thick, it's so lovely, and it's an adult size, but you actually get in it. It's a full blanket. So that's her sick blanket. Got that for her. Yeah, some toys. Here she comes. I've got her water and some snacks. I would show you her right now, but she's only in a nappy. So now I'm just gonna hang out with my bubba. You gonna hang out with your bubba? Okay, it's quite a while later now. Sophie has had a nap. She wasn't happy about it. Her temperature's going up slightly, so I'm gonna give her some Panadol. But for dinner, I wanna make her chicken noodle soup.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you.
So Sophie's gonna have her soup. If you haven't seen our toddler night routine, I'll link that in the description box below, but we're just gonna do that. We're just gonna do a night routine. But I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow with how she is. Say bye. 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 Hey guys, just wanted to check in. So it's the next day. Sophie's still a little congested, but other than that, I think she's all good. I'm gonna be honest with you, when I went to go put her to sleep last night, it got to the point where I was in tears. We were both in tears. That's just the reality of being a parent sometimes. Not gonna pretend like it's all sunshine and rainbows, because it's really not. It's actually so sad for a hot minute there, but it was all worth it because she's better today. She's not sneezing, she hasn't had any coughing, she's in a great mood, she's not nearly as clingy because that got next level. But that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up as it really helps to support my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and joining our little community. And also make sure your notification bell is turned on. I will be doing Vlogmas this year. Obviously, I'll be uploading every day, but to know when it will be uploaded, make sure your bell is on. Fingers crossed that we all stay happy and healthy. And with all that said, I'll see you back here in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!